namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new here, if you like my content, if you want to support me, please support guys, means a lot. So if you have already subscribed my channel, if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. In the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be provided in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is what is transforming in your life, what changes are coming your way. So that is going to be your reading for today. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have three groups here. So the first group, we have this yellow color butterfly. For group number 1, it's an yellow color butterfly. For group number 2, we have a green color butterfly. And for group number 3, we have an orange color butterfly. Okay, so relax, let go of all the worries. Don't think anything right now, just connect with your intuition and select a butterfly. Okay, so this is the group 1, this is for group 2, and this is for group 3. So take your time. If you want to pause the video, pause it and take your time and then select. So you can find the timestamps in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Hello group 1, if you chose this color butterfly, then this is your reading. Okay, so with this color, yellow color, I feel joy and creativity is the main thing that is transforming in your life. You're going to be very hopeful, I see. So maybe in 2020 we're not that good, but now you're gonna start this year with a lot of hope. I feel like that you're transforming your thinking. I feel like that's the thing. Yes, I feel like your the way you think is changing. You are becoming more hopeful for the future. Okay, so in 2020 you were like, why this is happening? You were like all the time thinking negative, but I feel the thing that is transforming inside you is you're becoming more positive. You are having a lot of hope for the future. You're hoping good for good things. You're changing your attitude. That is what is transforming. Okay, I feel for many of you, you are gaining your confidence back. Okay, so yeah, that is what is coming here. That is what is mainly transforming for you guys, is your confidence. You're regaining your confidence. Okay, so you might have had like I'm getting this low self-esteem for some of you guys. You are like, now you're like, okay, I can't be in that energy anymore. I have to understand that I'm worthy, that kind of energy. You're loving yourself at the same time. This is like a new life for you. I'm getting, you're like, I'm just letting go of this past 2020 energy. I'm just gonna step like a new person this year. I feel you are already transforming your thoughts like this way, like I want a good life, like that kind of energy. I can see you're gaining your confidence back for this pile. I feel like that. So the first transformation for you guys is like you are transforming from inside. I'm getting here, your confidence is transforming, and because of that you're gonna attract a lot of things in your life, like abundance, prosperity, maybe a new job. Okay, so some of you definitely will be like moving away from a job that is not good for you, finally moving to a job, like a job that will give you peace. I feel like that, that is your passion. Okay, so job that is you're very passionate about, very creative job. Maybe for some of you, definitely I see that a new beginning. For some of you it can be like becoming a mother, a new life, like that. It can be for some of you, you will be transforming like like a mother. You will be like becoming a mother. Okay, for some of you, definitely I see new start in some way, or yeah, maybe it can be a mentally be changed, right? So it can be that. And when we change our thoughts mentally, we see that manifestation in our physical life also. So I feel like that is what is the major transformation. You are getting more hopeful day by day, like the sun will shine. You're like, yeah, I have gone through a lot of darkness, now the sun is gonna shine. So yes, I see that, you are transforming from inside, and that's good, right? So yeah, for some of you, if you have problems with your confidence, I feel a sacral solar plexus meditations will be very beneficial for you guys. But I see that you are like, yes, I want to do this and I'm gonna do this anyway. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna work for it. I feel that you are changing. Your mentality is completely changing, and definitely a new start is coming for you guys. I see a very okay. So let's see what is transforming for you guys. Oh, healer of the ages, we have number 51. So, and love, and I'm gonna take one more card. Okay. Yeah, and actually we have this in reverse, so I feel like that you're getting out of this all tied up. As I was saying, you're healing yourself, you're nurturing yourself, you're loving yourself, and that is what is transforming inside you from this all tied up. I was explaining that, yeah, you are like being very positive about things, hoping for a new sun, like the sun is gonna rise and this darkness is gonna go. Like you were feeling tied up, finally you are breaking. You're like I cannot stay here anymore, and I'm gonna change my mindset. Or maybe you might change jobs, that is toxic, or a relationship, something new definitely. So with this 5 number, okay, maybe it's a thinking that you're changing about yourself. Okay, so something that is not good for you. Maybe this can be lack of confidence also. You're gaining more confidence and moving forward. Okay, sometimes we tie ourselves in our head, right? Isn't it, that I cannot do this, I'll not be able to flourish in it, and we don't try it. But you are like letting go of that energy, and finally understanding that you are unique and you can also do things. Okay, so I feel like that is like going away. You are coming out of this energy, and that is transforming. And look, we have healer of the ages and angel of love, isn't it? So yeah, so that is what I'm seeing for you guys. So the major transformation for you guys is inside yourself. I feel many of you are embracing self-love, taking care of yourself, healing your past, moving forward with confidence. So this healer of the ages, definitely I see that. Okay, we have, look at the numbers. We have 5, then we have 6, 5 plus 1, 6, and then we have a 4 plus 9. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it comes to 13 and reduces to 4. That is what I was telling. So we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. Look at the numbers progression, right? 4 to 5 to 6. So you are stepping up, you're not going back. Okay, remember that you're not going back, you're transforming. So you're going even though the process, you might feel the process is very slow, but you're stepping up, you're not going down. Okay, remember that. So that is also I'm getting here. So yeah, confidence. Yeah, we have this the color, look at the colors. We have the yellow color, right? So I feel you need to work with your solar plexus chakra here. Okay, with your confidence. Okay, I feel for many of you it's your confidence that is taking you back. Okay, so because of the lack of confidence, you're going back. I feel like that. So you need to be confident in yourself, in your own work. Sometimes we are not confident in the things we create, right? So maybe if you're an artist, if you're a creative person, you are not confident in your own work. So it's important you be confident in your own work. Treat yourself with love, treat your work with love. Okay, when you're working, say, yeah, this is nice, appreciate yourself. You don't have to be perfect all the time. Okay, maybe because of your perfectionism, you are like, yeah, this is not good enough. You're drawing, you're like, oh, this is not good enough to publish. If you want to publish your art, if you want to sell your art, you're like, it's not good enough to be, you are making that up. I feel like that. So I feel you're getting out of that. that is what is transformation. Finally, you're believing in yourself, you're believing in your own creativity and having fun. So yeah, I feel for many of you, you are going to have a lot of fun in your life in 2021. I feel like that. Fun with your work I'm getting. Okay, so the work that you will be doing, you will have fun, you will be very passionate about this work, you will be loving your work, okay, your craft, and yeah, the thing that you will be creating, you will be loving it. I'm getting that energy. Finally, you will be loving your work. So yeah, you're gaining confidence like that, and I love that, okay, for you guys, because definitely, sometimes we say confidence is our key to success. That is what I'm getting for you guys. When you will gain that confidence, you will be successful, and of course you are going to be. I feel that. Look, the wheel of fortune and the judgment. So you're getting this wake up call. Your angels are like, stop judging yourself. This is what I'm getting. You're getting a wake up call. That wheel is gonna turn now for you. Stop judging yourself. Stop judging your work. I don't know, this is what I'm getting. Don't be in this all tied up energy where because of you're it's because of your confidence that you're not moving forward in your life. And like angels are like, stop doing this. Don't do this anymore. It's like they're giving you a wake up call. Maybe you're getting signs. Maybe you see messages like that, where I feel like that. You might be, the angels are giving you signs like a wake up call. Stop doing that. Confidence is important here. Believe in yourself. Believe in your work. Okay. And that is when you change that mentality, I see the wheel turning for you guys. Okay. So remember, confidence is very important for you guys. And because of your confidence, things will transform for you guys. And as I said, new life, right? And we have the number 10 here, and that reduces to 1 again. A new life is coming your way. Okay. Yeah. And judgment is also about like second chances. Okay. So we have this number like 20 and then 10, right? 1 and 2 again. You have this progression: 1 number, 2 number, and then 5 6, so 4 5 6. So you don't have only the third number, right? You don't have 3, but you have like 1, you have 2, you have 4, you have 5, you have 6. So that's it. You are stepping up. You're taking the stairs one by one. So don't be afraid that you will be, sometimes we are afraid of falling, right? Don't be afraid of that, because you're not gonna fall. Even if you fall, you will get up and move forward. Okay. So that is what is coming here. Yeah. So let's see what else. We'll be doing charms and stickers and letters also, guys. So let's see what else for my group number 1. Yeah, trust the divine plan. There's a divine plan. Okay, everything. So even if you go through some challenges in your life, remember, it's all according to the divine plan. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. So you don't have to worry about anything. Just be confident. So I feel many of you are learning that it's important to be confident in yourself. Maybe your angels are trying to make you learn that. Maybe you in the past also you were not you were not confident about yourself. So finally you're learning that confidence is the key to success. Finally you're learning that you have power. Finally you're learning that you have the willpower to do the things you want in your life. You're not weak. You're learning that you're loved, you're cherished by your angels. That is also I'm getting. So yeah, remember, even the road is not easy, but you remember that the divine is with you. Okay. So there is a plan. It's according to the plan. Don't worry about it. But yes, I feel you're glowing. You're getting more. The main transformation I feel is within you. Okay. You're gaining more confidence. You're loving your life. I feel like that you're going to be a very, very joyful person. I'm getting here. Okay. If you're like right now stressing about things, constantly overthinking, I feel like this energy, maybe for some of you are in this energy, feeling tied up, don't know what to do, how to progress, and finally this is going to transform. You're going to get out of this. You're going to heal yourself and move forward. Okay. So for some of you, I feel your health. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting with this healer of the ages. Your health, you're taking care of your health. Finally you are exercising. Okay, something, you're loving your body also. I'm getting that. Maybe for some of you it was your body that you were like, you didn't accept that way your nose looked or something like that. Now finally you're accepting the way you're loving yourself the way you are. You're not trying to change it. So that is a very good thing, right? Okay, so let's see one more card for you guys. Okay, you got 2 cards. Fine. Look, transformation. Again, a fresh new way of living emerges. Clear the past, heal the present. Look here, we have the healing here. So yes, you're clearing your past. You're letting go of your past. Okay, you're healing your present, and moving forward. As I said, the steps, the numbers, and again we have transformation, we have one energy, a fresh new way of living emerges, because you're gaining your confidence back, and you are like understanding that this person, I feel like that she's so calm, she's so kind. So you were never kind to yourself. Finally you are kind to yourself. Sometimes we are kind to other people, but we are not kind to ourselves. We like, oh, I didn't do that, I'm not capable of that. Sometimes we think low about ourselves. So that is what is transforming inside you. So the transformation, I feel, for this pile, the transformation is inside you, and because of that you will be seeing the transformation outside of you. I feel like that. So if you're going to be a mother, you're going to be very, very kind. You're going to be very selfless, at the same time standing for your own self. Sometimes, yeah, you're not letting, I feel this for this pile is like, you're not letting other people control you also, because you are having that confidence now. Okay, so yeah, things are shifting for you guys. New energy, new beginnings, new starts, maybe it's a new life, maybe you're marrying, maybe you're becoming a mother, maybe it's a new job, and definitely it's about your confidence that you're gaining and moving forward in your life. So remember, as I said, the steps 1 2 3 4 5 6, you're gonna like that only, you're not gonna come back. Remember that. Okay, so the main thing about this reading is, remember that you're stepping up. Okay, so yeah, so let's see the charms and the letters and the stickers for group number 1. So what is transforming for group number 1? Okay, music. So listen to meditation music. It will be helpful for you guys. I feel like that. Okay. Or if you are into music, believe in your music. Okay, believe in your creativity. That is what is important. And when you listen to music, I feel many of you get a lot of creative ideas, and you have fun. You experience joy when you listen to music. So listen to music, good music. Okay, like again we have this fairy angels. I feel you need to have more fun in your life. I feel that is also transforming. You're going to have more fun, enjoy life. Okay, sometimes because of we overthink and we don't enjoy life, so don't do that. Okay, enjoy the present moment is also coming here strong. Look, again we have angels, lot of protection for you guys, like lot of growth. Yeah, lot of creativity, lot of hope is coming. You're going to be very hopeful about the future. Yeah, you need to let go of the attachment. Yeah, I feel like this all tied up, maybe past. You need to let go of your past energies. Yeah, that is what is transforming. Your attachment to past is, you're healing that. So yeah, rabbit, abundance. Okay, so I feel for some of you it's like fast movement and fast energies, because rabbit is so, the speed is so good, right? The rabbit runs faster. So I feel you're also going to be like that. Your speed, maybe sometimes we feel stuck, you're not going to feel stuck anymore. I'm getting that. Okay, look, partnerships for some of you, definitely I see partnerships, business partnership or collaborations you might be doing. Okay, so stay away from negativity, I would say here. Maybe if there are people around you who are very negative, if they are discouraging you, or if you talk to someone and you feel sometimes we talk to people and we gain confidence, and sometimes we talk to people and we lose our confidence. So look at that. Okay, and if you have people around you who are like discouraging you for your work, just let them go. I'd say don't sometimes it's we cannot do that, right? We cannot let go, but it's okay, don't take their words. I have to say that. So let's see the letters. I just saw an eye. Okay, a blue color eye. I don't know why, but it's a blue color eye. Okay, so it's like your eyes are very beautiful. I don't know whose eyes is that, but your eyes is very beautiful. and it's so charming. You're very beautiful people, I'm getting that. And for some of you, you need to trust your intuition instead of trusting other people, okay? Maybe that can also be the thing. E, G, and I feel the egg, it's like fertility. Definitely for some of you, you're conceiving. Okay, if you don't want to conceive, take, okay, if you don't want to conceive, be like protect yourself, okay, something like that. And yeah, with this egg, I feel new projects are coming your way, new, yeah, growth, new projects, new job, something new, that is like, yeah, that is for sure. Then we have 3E, okay. And then A, okay, a lot of A's and E. Okay, so go, go, move forward, okay. Yeah, you're gonna move forward, you're gonna go, you're not gonna come back, as I said, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. So let's see the stickers for you guys for group number 1. What the stickers have to add to this, your transformation for group number 1 is transforming in their life. For group number 1, what is transforming? Okay, we take this. Okay, a lot of, if you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. So yeah, taking back that confidence and trusting yourself, okay. And yeah, do what you love, do what you love instead of doing for other people. Do what you love. Oh, maybe you will inspire many people, inspire young minds. So maybe you will get inspired by many people. I'm getting, maybe you will be like seeing a lot of motivational videos and you will be very inspired to do the things. Together is the best place to be. So for some of you, definitely, as I said, there will be collaborations, there will be partnerships. And if you're in a relationship, if you're single, I see maybe you will marry. For some of you, definitely I can see that marriage, and it's like mother vibe also I'm getting from here, okay. As I said, new start, attitude is everything, remember that. And yeah, be patient, okay. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. If you want to give light to others, you have to glow yourself. Yes, taking that self-confidence and understanding that you have power. And remember who you are. When sometimes we compare other people, right, their progress. So what you need to do is compare yourself to the past, okay. And then you will see how far you have come. So just compare yourself with you only, okay. Don't compare yourself with others, just compare yourself with the past you, okay. Again, the best things in life are in things. Yeah, it's not things, it's about the joy we have. It's not the materialistic things, right? It's the joy, it's the fun we have, it's the memories we have. So gather that, and when you are enjoying, if you're going to a park or if you're visiting someone, just enjoy their company. If don't stress at that time. I feel like that, okay. So yeah, that's for group number 1. Bye bye, take care guys. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this green colored butterfly, then let's see what is transforming in your life. So I feel the first message that I got is like you're financially you're transforming. I feel like that. So if you had financial problems, so that in that area I see luck, okay. Okay, so maybe your finances are going to improve. Finally you might be feeling financially independent. I'm getting that. So maybe financial healing is happening for you guys for this second group. And overall I feel for some of you, if you are into the spirituality, I feel like you might be connecting with your spirit guides more, okay. So that is also transforming. You're believing more in, for some of you, definitely you're believing more in the spirituality things, esoteric information or something like that. So that kind of thing is here, okay. Maybe watching more tarot reading or something like that, maybe buying a tarot card for yourself for some of you. or doing some different kinds of divinations, or maybe you are already doing it. Okay, so I see progress in that, maybe because of maybe you will be using oracle cards to see things, and you will know that your intuition is very strong. I don't know, I'm getting it. Maybe for some of you, definitely I see your intuition is also getting stronger, and you will realize that you have healing gifts. For some of you, definitely you're realizing that, so that is also transforming. So something is definitely transforming in your life. For some of you, I feel like that the transformation will be like you are going to be vegetarian or vegan lifestyle you're taking. That can also be the transformation for some of you. Or for some of you, if you want a very peaceful place to live, so maybe you are like relocating to a very peaceful area where there is a lot of nature, green energy, connecting with flowers or trees. So for some of you, I feel you will be like traveling to that kind of area, spending time in nature, I'm getting. For some of you, maybe in the past you never felt like doing it, but I feel something is transforming inside you, and you're like, I want to go and just enjoy nature. That kind of energy is coming here. So yeah, for some of you, definitely you have healing power also, and you will be understanding that. So something inside you is completely transforming here, about understanding your own gifts, maybe your spiritual gifts. Okay, learning more about spirituality is coming here. Then definitely I see money wise, you're healing in the past. Maybe for some of you, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind. I feel like that you're reading books about law of attraction. Maybe, yeah, I feel like that you're reading books like that, and you're transforming, you're using law of attraction, you're doing money spells or something like that. Okay, so I'm getting here that also. Yeah, sigil came to my mind. Maybe you're doing that sigil thing. Okay, you're learning about it and doing it using green candles and all. I don't know, these all are coming. So a little bit very spiritual also. If you're even if you're not into spirituality, I see that you're reprogramming your subconscious mind. I feel like that, because in the past you might have gone through a lot of financial blocks in your life. Whatever you do, the money will not come. That kind of energy I feel for you guys. Finally you're releasing that. Okay, because in the past sometimes we are told that we will not get that, we are limited to money, but I feel you're transforming that for group number 2. Okay, finally I see a lot of good luck also for you guys. So let's see. Okay, let's see with the cards. Okay, so for group number 2, okay, wait a second, I just feel like cleansing the area. I don't know why I'm feeling like very so let's just cleanse it. Okay, I don't know, green tara mantra is coming. So for some of you need to do that, chanting green tara mantra. Okay, for yeah, I don't know, but that came. Okay, if you felt like, if you are also called to do it, do it. Okay, so let's see for group number 2, what is transforming in their life. Okay, wait. Oh, look at that, healing again, door to personal healing and happiness. So maybe for some of you, you're healing your past and moving forward. Yeah, walking away from your past. Definitely walking away from your past. Financial healing, I feel healing in relationships, everything healing is coming. Wow. So healing is happening for you guys. Okay, and we have the green color also. Okay. I was talking about intuition, I was saying spiritual stuff, and we got that. Look at that. For some of you, you're going to be going to be psychics or something like that. Like you never imagined yourself like that, and you're like change in your career. For some of you. Okay, definitely you have some spiritual gifts, as I mentioned. Wow, So definitely it's there, and because of the spirituality, you're gonna change your life completely, a new life where you're doing spiritual stuff, where you're doing like healing. Maybe you will be learning Reiki or something for some of you, I don't know, but related to spirituality, doing law of attraction, doing like witchy things or something like that. As I said, rituals, doing rituals. And finally, yes, you are walking away from the past. Look at that. Even though she's walking away, she's looks so like damn proud of herself. Like, you're going to be very proud of yourself, okay? In the past, you were never proud of yourself. Finally, you're like, wow, I did this. I'm so proud of myself. You're gonna appreciate yourself. Look at that number 7, 8, and 9. 9 number. Maybe you're 27 years old for some of you. I don't know. I don't know why I felt like that. Okay. Yes, you're walking away. Maybe it is a relationship. It is your own house. You're moving out from your house and to a different place. You're going to live alone or something like that. Moving away from a toxic family member. Anything it can be, but definitely moving away like a boss. I'm getting a boss finger here. Definitely you're going to be your own boss. Okay, you're going to be your own boss. You're not going to listen to other people. You're just going to listen to your own wisdom, because actually I feel for this pile you don't want to listen to anyone else's advice. Instead, just connect with your spirit guides, angels, because they will give you the correct answer. And yes, you're gonna shine, because look, and we have the number 7 also. So it's like, yeah, we have 2 7. 7 is a very spiritual number, isn't it? It's like 2 7s we have. 7 is important here. And maybe your life path 7, it's not important. Okay. So yeah, you are letting go of your past. You're moving towards a better future, I see here, where you know who you are. That is what you understand, who you are. And for many of you, you are going to do the things you are passionate about. Maybe connecting with your soul purpose here. Okay, I feel many of you are going to do something that is you're destined to do in this lifetime. I feel like that for this pile. Okay, yeah, and because of that, a lot of happiness, a lot of healing is happening. For some of you, you are definitely going to heal other people through your words or through your, because I feel for this pile you can feel energies. Okay, so yes, so yeah, you have spiritual gifts, even you know or not. I feel like this pile has some sort of spiritual gifts, some sort of talents that you will be like, I feel the door is gonna open now. You will know it. For some of you, you already know it. So take that first step, because look at the rainbows. Yeah, now it's now it's rainbows, right? So rainbows, like, yeah, it's like the bad times are over, unlucky times are over. Now it's that lucky time. Yeah, we have this lotus also. Look at that, lotus and peace. A lot of peace is coming your way. Lotus, spiritual transformation is happening for you guys. And 7 number is all about learning also. So you are going to learn a lot of things. So you're going to be like, you will get a lot of knowledge from the divine. For some of you, your crown chakra is opening up, I feel like that. So you're going to get a lot of downloads. So balance that crown chakra also. Maybe for some of you, it might be like, you might get scary also because of that, because you might be getting a lot of information. I feel like that. So remember to trust your intuition, because your intuition will lead you to the path of success. So I see the main transformation is like, you're letting go of the past, you're letting go of the people who are giving you advice. You're just listening to yourself. And that will give you a lot of success, a lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity, money wise also I'm seeing, and all over prosperity for you guys. I feel like that. With this goddess of the moon, your intuition is on point. So that is also transforming. In the past, you never listened to your intuition. In the future, every step you will take, you will ask yourself, is this right? You're going to ask yourself and then take the next step. So I feel like that. So yeah, and that will give you a lot of happiness in your life. So yeah, definitely for this pile, you were going through a healing process. I feel like that. For many of you, you're going to heal yourself and move forward. I feel like that. So wow, beautiful. Pile 2. If you're planning to start a spiritual business or something, I feel like that you should start it, because you're gifted. I feel like that. Okay. Wow, look at that. A happy home life. Marriage for some of you. For some of you, it can be a twin flame reunion or something like that. Maybe you're marrying your twin flame. I don't know. Something like that. I feel like that. Oh God, look your cards. Look your cards. We have 6 of Wands. Look, the back of the deck energy is 3 of Swords. Finally, you are, and look at that. We have this walking away. You're walking away from the pain. You're walking away from your past. You're walking away from your past self who was always insecure. Who, maybe many people have stabbed you, they have broken your heart, and finally you are like, not anymore, because it's like she's like going like a boss, you're a boss. I feel like that energy. No one can hurt me anymore, that is where I'm feeling like that. And look at that victory. I'm hearing victory. Look, for some of you, if you will start a business, there will be people buying your products, appreciating, recognize your work. If you're providing services to other people, you will be recognized for your work. If you're on social media, for some of you, definitely you're gonna move forward with that. Wow, it's all about success. So what is coming is like, you're going to be very successful. I feel like that. With this, look at the cards, I shuffled in front of you. So yeah, and look at that colors, yellow color, the shine bright. Your life is going to be very bright from now onwards. Okay, so we have this like yellow color here also. It's like yeah, wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. So a lot of success, a lot of recognition. The recognition you deserve. Okay, for some of you, you have been working, you are not getting recognized. Maybe you will be finally balancing, you will balance your career and your home life also. A lot of harmony is coming your way. I feel like that. Okay, and you know how to balance things. I'm getting here, because your intuition is going to be very strong. And the only advice I will give you is balance your chakras. Do chakra meditation. That will be very beneficial for you guys. And at the same time, I feel like that always listen to your intuition. That will give you a lot of success. Every step, listen to your heart. I'm getting that. Listen to your intuition, because that is on point. What else? Yeah, again, opening to your spiritual source. What I said is a very spiritual pile too. Yeah, grace and gratitude. Yes, you're going to be in a very, this kind of energy where you'll be very grateful for the things you have in your life. I'm seeing that you'll be for some of you, definitely you need to have a journal where you'll be like giving gratitude to people, giving gratitude to other people who are helping you in this journey, as well as to the divine, giving gratitude to them, because things are going to manifest for you guys. You're going to live your dreams. I'm getting here. So yeah, open up to, as I said, listen to your intuition, because everything is inside you. You don't have to search outside. Everything is inside you. And yeah, you will be giving a lot of gratitude to other people, and you have to give if you're not giving. So yeah, prepare a journal for gratitude. Write it because yes, you'll be grateful for many things in your life. Yeah, wow. And remember, when you give, when you give the gratitude, you'll receive a lot back, isn't it? So remember that also. So yeah, very spiritual. So let's see. The charms for you guys. What is transforming for booking? Yeah. We have the heart energy. Look, you're gonna operate from your heart center, and we have this green color heart chakra. You are opening your heart chakra finally. So you're gonna receive all the love. Okay. Yeah, I feel with this tool, we have both of these, right? So I don't know, but I feel you need to fix something. For some of you, you are fixing your past. Maybe you need to fix some habits of yourself that is not good. Maybe your eating habits or something. If you have an addiction or something, you need to fix that, because that might be an obstacle in your spiritual journey. I'm getting here. Yeah. something to fix. I am getting that. Okay, here I don't know what is that, but yeah, you need to fix something in your life, some habit, or maybe you need to let go of some people, or maybe you need to forgive some people. Okay, that is the last thing maybe you need to do in this journey, and I think you know that because your intuition is so strong. What is it, guys? So yeah, love again, a lot of love. You're gonna operate from your heart center. You're going to be very selfless people. I see that. Okay, yeah, maybe you need to eat more vegetables. I'm getting here. Or maybe a person was he was not that good for you. You need to let go of this person. For some of you, maybe you need to forgive and move away from them. Yeah, exercising, I'm getting. Take care of your health, maybe that is important. Maybe eating, as I said, vegan or vegetarian, becoming vegetarian, or even if you're sometimes, even if we are vegan, sometimes we tend to eat something that is not so healthy. So remember to eat healthy also. Okay. Yeah, you're definitely protected. Again, healing energy with this starfish. You're healing your past, moving forward. Okay, yeah, lot of growth, look, again we have this star. Yes, your wishes are going to be fulfilled. You're going to be a star with the star energy, wishes, dreams coming true. Yeah, for some of you, definitely you're going to be in the limelight, spotlight. Yeah, yes, with this, I feel like that your mind, your body, your soul, you're going like oneness, like with this. I relate to this, finding sanctuary. So it's like about your mind, body, soul coming together. You're becoming one. Okay, very deep thing this is. Regeneration, becoming someone else. You're not going to be the same anymore, guys. Someone new. You're going to be someone new. Your family, the people around you will be like surprised to see you, that how much you have transformed. Because I feel for some of you, you're talking, the way you talk, the way you dress, it's all gonna transform. If you were very, maybe you're gonna wear the dresses you want to wear, very confident, very confidence, a lot of confidence is coming. Yeah, high heels. So it can be literally you start wearing high heels, or for some of you, you are going to be in a higher position. Okay, I see that. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I was talking about boss, right? Yeah, boss. I'm getting that energy. Like, have fun, guys. Like the dolphin. It's important to have fun in life. Don't stress. Maybe don't overwork yourself. Okay, for some of you, definitely you overwork, so you need to take breaks. Like, we have flower, happiness, freedom, love yourself. Yeah, that is all coming. Financial freedom, I feel like. We have BR and we have I here. So let's see what else. NTE, we have a blank here. U I D A, again we blank, two blanks. I'm getting the word unity. Okay. I don't know why. Yeah, as I said, your mind, body, soul, it's like coming together. You're connecting with the universe, you're working with the universe. Like, I feel for some of you, the moon phases affect you a lot. Okay, when you're feeling very, very bad or something like that emotionally, look at the moon phases. I don't know, it might affect your moods, emotions, or something like that. Tide. Okay, tide. Yeah, tide. Okay, yeah, finally the tides are like calming down, right? Yeah, the waves are like in sync. I don't know. Something like that. Okay. Okay, maybe some of you are graduating, or maybe you're actually graduating in your life, right? Like promotion, something like higher position. So if you have been doing something, you are having a like a it can be graduation, but I feel like maybe you're doing an online course or something, graduating, something like that. Okay, I feel this. Maybe some of you are going to start university or something. Maybe you will be learning something more. Okay, that can also happen. Yeah, or you might be graduating, and that is what I'm getting. You're graduating, so it's like a transformation there also, right? So yeah, yeah, I feel we have dean here. I don't know, some high position. I'm getting this high position. Okay, that is what. And we have this, and finally your hard work is going to pay off. Okay, for some of you, definitely you're building a community. Okay, don't yeah, for some of you, time, I don't know, if you're asking about something, everything will happen at the divine timing also. I'm getting, be patient about that. I don't know if someone asked like a question, when this will happen. So it's like divine timing. Don't be very much caught up about the time, because I feel for this pile, you are where you are at the correct time. You are at the correct place. You don't have to think about it. Okay, sometimes you might feel like, there are days for me also, I don't know what happened, I feel like very low. And some days I feel so, like I will be like, what is happening, because I don't know what is happening. I'll feel very low. I don't feel good about the work I'm doing. I feel so demotivated, and finally then it's like, okay, I'll sit with myself and light a candle, and then no, yeah, it's okay. It's sometimes we feel that emotions, it's okay. Okay, yeah, everyone has that sort of thing, so don't be like too impatient also, I'm getting here. So yeah, so that's it, group 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello guys, group number 3, if you have selected this orange butterfly, let's see what transformation is coming for you guys. So with this orange color, yeah, bright orange. So I feel for you, this pile, for some of you, I feel like you're going through a major awakening or spiritual transformation. Okay, yeah, and I'm getting the sacral chakra here, the orange color sacral chakra. So your creativity, you're very creative people also, I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, and it's time to be focused. I'm getting, it's time to be focused with your goals. What you want to create in your life, focus on that. Okay, don't focus on the things you don't want to create in your life. I feel for this pile, you're very magnetic. Yeah, your thoughts are very magnetic here. Okay, yeah, so where your focus is, where your energy is, that is gonna bloom. So remember that. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here, first thing. So if you want to create success in your life, be focused on to that. If you will be focused on onto the how it will happen, then things might not be easy for you guys. So it's important to put your focus onto the things that you want to create in your life. And remember, you're spiritually guided also. Maybe you're getting a lot of creative ideas, so remember to take it. Okay, because that are divinely guided, I'm getting. So if you're in a creative field, or even if you're not in a creative field, you might get some ideas. Maybe you're getting some inspiration. Just take charge. Okay, I'm getting that also here. So if you have a business, maybe you will get some way that how can you improve that. Yeah, some inspiration you will get. So take that, I'm getting here. Okay, and be focused. The first thing I got is like, be focused. What you're planning to do, just be focused on that, not on the thing that is not working, on the things that is working for you guys. Okay, remember that. And yeah, I don't know, for this group you need to like law of attraction, maybe you need to read some books about law of attraction, that will help you in your transformation, I'm getting. But definitely for some of you, you're very stressful about your job or something like that, I'm getting here. So no need to worry, just, or maybe in your workspace there are people who are very toxic and you don't know what to do. So it's important you focus your energy onto the things you want to do, not on other people who are like gossiping or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so let's see what else is what is transforming for my group number 3. You're very wise people also, so always understand. Oh, like, wow, carrying connections. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, remember to take that idea I'm getting here. Like, we got that for pile number 1 also. Angel of love, lot of love. Okay. So for some of you, definitely a lot of love is coming your way. So if you're not married, maybe you will marry. A lot of love. Or if you're single, you will be in a relationship, I'm getting here. Okay. So yeah, for some of you, business partnership is coming here. Maybe you will be collaborating with someone. That is also coming here. Or I feel if your workspace is not so good, I feel there will be people who will support you. Yeah, support is coming. I'm getting here for the transformation. You are going to support people. So people are going to support you. Caring connections are coming your way, and the transformation is that you're believing in yourself again. You're believing that you have the power. You're believing that you have the key. I'm getting here. Okay, finally, yeah, that is transforming. I feel like that you're believing in yourself. You're believing in yourself, you're believing in your own ideas. As I said, you're getting a lot of creative ideas. You're believing in your own ideas and taking charge. I'm getting here. So look, this woman is in her comfort zone, right? And she has the key here, if you can see. She has the key here, but she is not opening the gate. She is just thinking whether she should open the gate or not. So because her garden is full of flowers, but there is more to it. Okay, if when she open the gate and go out, then only she will know that there is more to this, right? So I feel you're gonna be opening that gate. Okay, finally you're gonna take risk. I'm getting, so you're becoming more daring. I feel like that you're ready to take risk, and we have the butterflies here also, isn't it? That's beautiful. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, a lot of transformation inside you, a lot of I feel for this pile, a lot of wisdom. You're going to be very wise people. You're going to be very strong. You're going to be very courageous, and maybe you will take a courageous step in your life. Oh, look at that! We have an orange butterfly here. Oh, can you see that? Look at that. Wow, so maybe you're seeing orange butterflies. I don't know. Look at that. That's, oh my god. Wow, guys, I'm so amazed. Oh, wait. Oh my god, that's, oh, I don't know what to say. Okay, look at that. I'll show you again. We have an, can you see that? It's an orange butterfly, guys. Anyways, so yeah, garden and the gate. You're getting out of that garden. You're getting out of your comfort zone. You're taking risk in your life. You're becoming more courageous. That is what the first thing is transforming in your life. You're ready to take the next step. You're more than ready to face challenges. You are not afraid of obstacles anymore. You're becoming wiser. Maybe for some of you, you are learning a lot of things. You're researching, you're learning, you're becoming more wiser. You're understanding universe, how universe works, or something like that. Lot of courage is there, lot of confidence. Yeah, finally, that is what is transforming. You were in the safe zone for a lot. Now you're like, I don't want to be in the safe zone anymore. I'm ready for the next step. I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to explore things. I just want to explore things. Maybe if you're a single, you will be exploring new connections. You're finally, like, maybe you were single for quite a long time, and finally you're like, I don't want to be single anymore. I'm just gonna go and start dating or something like that. Or maybe if you wanted to do that collaboration, you're like, yes, I'm gonna message them, I'm gonna collaborate. You're taking the first step here. A lot of love, definitely. That is changing. If you're single, I feel that is changing. A lot of love is coming your way. Even if you collaborate, a lot of love is coming your way. You're going to be very courageous people, and I feel this, you are going to be very, very, you will be encouraging other people also. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, finally you're taking that step, leap of faith. And yeah, that will give you a lot of love in your life. Love and light, I'm getting here. A lot of love is coming your way. Maybe for some of you, you need to use rose quartz. Okay, I don't know why that crystal came. Maybe it's just rose quartz. Okay, I'm attracted to this. I feel like that rose quartz crystals will be good for you. Interesting. I love this. So yeah, For some of you, you are relocating your house, I'm getting. Maybe you're changing jobs, doing something by yourself that you have been planning for so long, finally taking that action. You're good, you're gaining that confidence, you're becoming more courageous, and in that you will meet people, you will get a lot of support, a lot of caring connections, and a lot of love. Wow. Okay, so that's beautiful. I feel you will attract a lot of opportunities also. If you're working from home or something like that, you will get a lot of opportunities. Look, King of Swords. Maybe this person will be an air sign or something. This person will give you a lot of advice, or maybe he will help you financially, or he or she will help you financially. Okay, so a lot of people are coming here. We have Queen of Pentacles also here. Okay, Four of Swords. Okay, so I feel with this Four of Swords, maybe for some of you, you will be relaxing in home and making money or something like that. I'm getting, freelancing, I'm getting here. For some of you, you were trying, you wanted to do that. Maybe you wanted to start a business. Maybe you wanted to work from home. So finally you will do that or something like that. You're leaving your comfort zone and doing something different. And for some of you, definitely it can be a air sign. This person can be an air sign also. If you're this caring connection we have, and we got the Queen of Pentacles and King of Swords energy, so it can be an air sign or it can be an earth sign here. But these people are like very much in their power, I get. Maybe it's like a business partnership, or maybe it's a romantic interest, but these people I see, they're very mature people. They understand life, okay? They know what they are doing. Okay, I feel they are going to be very good at these people know, they're very matured people, and they will be advising you also. I feel like that. Okay, with this Queen of Pentacles, for some of you, definitely if you are this Queen of Pentacles, I'm getting here that you will be able to balance your career as well as your family life also. I feel like that. Or for some of you, you're taking that leadership. Yeah, you will be in this leadership position where you will be guiding other people. Okay, that can also happen. Maybe you are going to take charge of, as I said, you're taking charge of your life and moving forward. You know what you want to do. And amazingly, we have a butterfly here also. We have butterflies here. Wow. Okay, guys, a lot of transformation, inner transformation, very much. You're going to be in your power. That is what I'm getting here. And if you are meeting this person, I feel it is like going to be like a power couple. Okay, I have to say that. Yeah, power couple vibes I'm getting here. So yeah, this relationship will be very good. I feel like that. Okay, maybe for some of you, this is the one that you have been wanting to have in your life. I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, love is coming your way. For this is also, love is going to change your life maybe. Okay, for group number 3. Okay, wow. So what else? Let's see. And you're going to take I feel very balanced energy also. Okay, taking shelter. Oh my god, look at that. Miracles, joy and delight. Oh, wait a second. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for that. We have joy and delight, taking shelter. The answers are within. Expand the wondrous to emerge. Yes, miracles are going to happen. I feel for some of you, you never expected to do these things. Maybe you never expected a relationship like this. Maybe you never expected support from other people. You're going to get that, and you will be like, wow. You'll be so joyful. You will be so happy. I'm getting here. And yeah, whenever you're confused or something, just ask with your, within yourself. You have that answer. You have that wisdom inside you. You have that wisdom. Okay, remember that. Okay, so this is also like you are transforming, you're getting more courage, but remember, you have answers, all your answers within yourself. Okay, and yes, a lot of joyful times are coming. You're like a small child, I feel like that, enjoying life again, because you're getting out of this comfort zone and you're gonna explore things. Yeah, you're gonna explore a lot of things. For some of you, I see travel also. Okay, yeah, for some of you, you're going to travel with this person or something like that. Like a lot of love, a lot of joy, a lot of miracles. You will be seeing miracles. You will be like, wow, life is so amazing. That kind of transformation I'm seeing. Like you are going to enjoy life. Okay, and you're like, yes, universe gives you what you want. You're going to trust in the universe. You're going to have faith in the universe, and finally you'll be like, yes, I can I feel for this pile, you are like going to be the manifestation king or queen. You will be able to manifest whatever you desire, because with this I feel like that, yeah, you are like stepping in your power. That is what I'm getting here. I feel if you were like doing a lot of hard work in the past, I see you will not be doing that much of hard work also, but at the same time you will be making like extra money also, like because you're going to be so good at manifesting things. So life is going to be, I feel for you guys, because of your own wisdom, life is going to be more easy for you guys, because you'll be manifesting very easily things. Okay, so yeah, wow. Yeah, I feel like that. Okay, so group number 3, let's see. Yeah, we got this one here, and let's see for group number 3. What is transforming? Yeah, we have love. A big heart is coming here. Yeah, keep moving forward, guys. You're doing good. Get out of that comfort zone. Yeah, you're gonna have fun. A lot of fun, lot of exploration, a lot of travel also, I feel like that, and a lot of abundance. Like, look, we have the angel feather here. So yeah, angels are near you. They are protecting you. 5 changes ready. Be ready for the change, positive change. And look, whenever you're indecisive, just trust your own wisdom here. Okay, because it will give you the path. I'm getting that also. So let's see what else we have. We have K, we have E, we have R, we have T. Okay, so let's see what all is. Okay. Yeah, big things. Big win. I don't know why I got that win. Let's see if we have IN here. Okay. H. Maybe you're winning something. Okay. I feel big happy changes are coming your way. Okay. We don't have an N, but we double. Your I feel your willpower is gonna be very strong. You're going to be very in your energy. We have a HE, right? So yeah, someone new is coming your way. I got a word binge. Okay, so I don't know why, but binge. If you're binge eating, stop it. Okay, I don't know why. Or maybe if you're binge watching something and not doing the work or not working towards your goal, stop it and just focus on your work. I feel like that is also coming here. Yeah, you're releasing your past, you're releasing your own fears, you're getting out of the comfort zone. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting a vision who is like someone is like sitting on the sofa and watching TV and sleeping all the time. so I feel like that you need to like get out of that couch. Okay, interesting. Yeah, you're meant for great things are coming. So if you live in India or something, maybe you will visit Goa or something, have fun with your friends, or maybe you will go with this person to Goa or something, I don't know. Yeah. That can also happen, I don't know, but yeah, definitely a lot of happiness is coming your way, guys. Be prepared, because a lot of good things are gonna come your way, big changes. Okay, so yeah, believe in that. Okay, yeah, believe in that, guys, because I see that for you guys. It's like, yeah, let's see the stickers also and then let's stop. Okay, let's see for group number 3 what else, what else is transforming. Let's do this. Yeah, maybe you're like, finally, yeah, I'm gonna go and get into a relationship, or I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna get out of that garden, you know, I'm gonna, maybe you're doing something with a partner or a friend or something like that, you're like, yeah, let's do this, let's go for it, let's have fun, let's go to party, or let's go to Goa something like that. Okay, look, yeah, Capricorn energy, lot of career, you know, yeah. Yes, maybe this person is a Capricorn. We have an earth sign also, right? Yeah, so maybe this person can be a Capricorn also. And we have Leo energy also. Yeah, maybe it's a Leo, but we don't have a fire sign. But yeah, I feel Leo or Capricorn, maybe a lot of passion. You're going to be very, look, you're going to click a lot of pictures. You're going to create a lot of memories with this person. Definitely dating is coming here. And Sagittarius, you are the one who got a lot of signs. Okay, so maybe these are the clues, right? Leo, we have Capricorn, we have Sagittarius, because this is the group I'm talking about love. Okay. Life is sweet, sorry, life is short, make it sweet. Yes, stay positive, definitely, guys. You never fail until you stop trying. So yeah, a lot of note to self. Wow. So yeah, happy thoughts, as I was saying, manifestation, right? You are going to be like manifesting things because you will have that happy thoughts. You will be like writing things, and you will be like in this energy where you're like, yes, I'm going to be very positive about things and going to move forward with it. I see that positivity inside you, and because of that you will be like manifesting a lot of things in your life. Start your morning with a smile. I see you starting your mornings with a smile. Maybe you will have someone to call to, or you know, you will be very happy. That kind of energy, talking to new people, you know. Yeah, love relationship is going to be very awesome. Clicking pictures together, having fun together, going on a vacation together. Yeah, maybe going to a cafe together, having fun. I'm getting, okay, for some of you, you need to hydrate yourself. Okay, maybe you're dehydrated. I don't know why, because we have this lemon in this water. I feel like that maybe you need to drink more water, take care of your health. Okay, or maybe you're drinking a lot of drinks instead of water. Maybe you're drinking a lot of coffee instead of water, so take care. Okay, so a lot of passion for some of you. If you're not interested in relationship, I feel like that you're going to be very passionate about your work. Okay, and you'll be learning a lot of things with this Capricorn, Sagittarius, Leo. I'm getting that you're going to be very passionate about your work, and you know, you will be learning things, you will be digging, because Sagittarius energy is all about learning, right? You're exploring things, you're going to learn more and more about this manifestations. I see you doing that and gaining all the wisdom, working for yourself, for building for some of you, you might be doing a startup or something, I don't know, but definitely I see something very strong for you guys. Okay, a lot of things, good things are coming your way. Okay, relationship wise, I see very happy times. Okay, if you have been single for long, I see like, and if you're in a partnership already, I feel like that is gonna grow. A lot of caring, a lot of support for your career is coming here. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care.